OontZ Angle 3, 3rd Gen, Bluetooth portable speaker, louder volume, crystal clear stereo sound, rich bass, 100-foot wireless range, microphone, IPX5, Bluetooth speakers by Cambridge Soundworks, black. Higher quality crystal clear stereo sound, the OontZ Angle 3, 3rd Gen, is designed and engineered by Cambridge Soundworks in the USA for greater clarity sound, accurate mids and clear highs from dual precision acoustic stereo drivers. The bass output is enhanced by our proprietary passive bass radiator. Unique triangular design and downward-facing bass radiator further enhance the sound quality. The higher quality crystal clear sound and features distance it from the competition. Louder volume, surprisingly loud, the volume booster 10+ watt power amp pumps out more volume and plays your music with no distortion, even at maximum volume. The louder volume makes the OontZ Angle 3, 3rd Gen portable Bluetooth speakers the perfect speaker for any room and the ideal outdoor speakers. Incredible 100-foot Bluetooth range, play the OontZ Angle 3, 3rd Gen, Bluetooth speakers up to 100 unobstructed feet away from your device. Advanced antenna design with Bluetooth 4.2 provides greater wireless range and faster Bluetooth connection. Connects easily with the Echo. 3rd Gen, Echo Plus, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone X, iPad, Samsung Galaxy 8, Samsung Galaxy 9, Samsung Note, smartphone, cell phone, laptop, computer, Mac, and all other Bluetooth devices. IPX5 water resistant, the OontZ Angle 3, 3rd Gen, is totally splash-proof, rain-proof shower speaker, great shower speaker. With IPX5 certification, the speaker can resist gentle water spray and splash, but cannot be partially or fully submerged. Longer battery play time up to 14 hours, play from morning till night. Battery can play up to 14 hours at 2/3 volume. And jack connect from TVs and non-Bluetooth devices with a 3.5mm line in. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.